We often arrive at a crossroads, full of hope for the journey ahead. Then, unexpectedly, we find a barrier. A path we had considered, or perhaps even counted on, is no longer available. The initial feeling can be one of frustration or disappointment. A sense that our plan has been thwarted, our progress halted. We might question the obstacle, and even ourselves. But if we pause and breathe into this moment, we may notice something else beginning to emerge. Sometimes, direction becomes clearer precisely because one path closes. The burden of choice, the anxiety of picking the perfect way forward, begins to dissolve. A closed option often removes the paralysis of too many possibilities, simplifying our focus. Suddenly, the remaining path is not just a default, but the path. It stands in sharp relief, inviting our full attention and commitment. We see it with a clarity that was impossible before. This is the gift of limitation. It channels our energy. Instead of dividing our awareness among many potential futures, we can now pour all of our intention into the one that remains. Trust the timing of the universe. The paths that close were not meant for you at this moment. They serve their purpose by guiding you to where you truly need to be. Embrace this newfound simplicity. There is a profound peace in letting go of what could have been and fully inhabiting what is. Closure isn't failure, it is focus. So, take a moment to acknowledge the closed door. Thank it for the lesson, for the redirection, for the unexpected clarity it provided. Respect the path that taught you where not to go. The right way forward is often the one that remains when all other options have fallen away. Walk it with purpose, with gratitude, and with an open heart.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.